So question 21, the practice exam, right? The concentration of ethanol in the blood is right called your BAC, blood alcohol concentration, measured as grams per 100 milliliters of blood. Right, so in most states, it's illegal to drive with a BAC over 0.08, right? So that would be 0.08 grams per 100 milliliters of ethanol, right? What would be the molarity of ethanol in your blood? So we're asked to find the molarity, right? Molarity is moles per liter. So we know a BAC of 0.08 means you've got 0.08 grams per 100 milliliters of ethanol. So we want to turn our mass into moles, right? And then we can also turn our volume from milliliters into liters, basically, and that's going to give us a concentration of that. So ethanol, right? Ethanol is CH3, CH2, OH. So find our molar mass of ethanol. I've got 2 carbons at 12 AMU each, so that's 24. I've got 6 hydrogens at approximately 1 AMU each, so 6, and then I've got 1 oxygen at 16. So we'll add that all together. All right, I get 30, I get 46. AMU, which means, right, I need 46 grams per mole of ethanol. So in the question, right, they gave you the formula of ethanol, so we just want to be able to look up, right, my carbon, my hydrogen, my oxygen. So okay, if I've got 0.08 grams, right, I'm just going to convert that to moles. I know for 1 mole of ethanol, I have to have 46 grams of ethanol. So 0.08 divided by 46. Right. 0.0017 moles of ethanol. All right, concentration molarities, moles per liter. So we've got, you know, 0.0017 moles in 100 milliliters. So we just want to convert that to liters. Right, I know in 1,000 milliliters, I've got 1 liter. So milliliters are going to cancel out, and we're going to be left with a concentration in moles per liter. So basically, we're multiplying by 10, right? Divide by 1,000, divide by 100, multiply by 1,000, or multiply by 10. We get the same answer. So that all for that question, all we had to do was see that they gave us the concentration in a little bit different form. They gave us the concentration in mass per volume, but we can turn that into a concentration based on molarity, moles per volume, because I can convert mass to moles using the molar mass. And then we're going to get something like 1.7 times 10 to the minus 2 molar. What did they give you the BAC in? Was it 2 significant figures or 1? Yeah, 2. So yeah, I would go with 2 significant figures as well. So your numbers might be different because the BAC might be a little bit different for each of those questions, but the steps would be the same. We want to go from grams per 100 milliliters to moles per 100 milliliters, and then finally we can do concentration, moles per liter, or molarity by converting our milliliters to liters. So any questions on 21? All right, what else do we want to take a look at?